Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to move photos from phone to SD card. Let's get started. Open your file manager on your phone, and here's my file manager. Just click on it, and then you have to click on internal storage. Then choose the folder where your photos are in, and I'll go with pictures folder. Right here, just click on the folder, and here's my photo on the Telegram folder. And then we have to choose the photos that we want to move from phone to SD card. And if you want to move it, you have to tap and hold on the photo like this, and you have to click on this this circle to mark the photo that we want to move to SD card like this. And after that, we can click move, and then you have to click on this button and click this button again. All right, and choose SD card and choose the folder where you want to locate the photos, and I'll go with pictures folder, and we can click on move here. Okay guys, now the files or the photos have been moved from phone to SD card, and that's how we can move photos from phone to SD card. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.